Meet Pixie. The front camera captures photos and videos, while the bottom camera navigates the world around you. The dial turns the device on and off and selects the flight path. Hover, reveal, follow, and orbit. Now let's fly. Creating magic. Make sure there's plenty of clear space around you. Do not fly in wind or gusts over 7 miles per hour. Select a flight mode to get started. Green LED light means Pixie is ready to fly. White LED light means it's recording. Hold Pixie flat in your palm and raise it to eye level with the camera facing you. Press the start button to begin Pixie's flight. Green LED light indicates that Pixie is ready to land. You can adjust Pixie's time in flight for each capture mode in the Snapchat app. Now you're ready to fly. How to pair your Pixie. Turn the dial on your Pixie to standby. Open Snapchat. Go to Profile. Go to Settings. Tap on Pixie. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Pixie. Hold down the Start button for 7 seconds. Now you're ready to fly. How to charge your Pixie. These lights located on the bottom side indicate the state of charge. To charge your Pixie, use the included USB-C cable or a certified USB-C cable. For faster charging, use a wall adapter. Pixie batteries are light and easy to carry around with you on any adventure. To change your Pixie battery, gently pull on the groove at the rear end of the battery to remove. When installing a battery, first insert the front end and then press the back of the battery into place to ensure it is secure. Charge 2 batteries at once with the dual battery charger available for purchase. Use the included USB-C cable to connect the charger to a power source. Now you're ready to fly. Changing settings on your Pixie. Open your Snapchat. Go to Memories. Tap on your paired Pixie to open the Pixie settings page. Select a capture mode. Adjust duration, distance, and capture type. Now you're ready to fly.